Ever been told you can't have it all? Engineers know that feeling well. When it comes to designing energy systems, they face constraints. That is, things like cost, available materials, or how efficient something is. And that's what today's video is all about, making smart energy choices under pressure. A constraint is a real-world limit on your design. Maybe you don't have the best materials, or you have to keep costs low. And efficiency tells you how much of the energy you put in actually does the job and how much gets lost. Let's look at two energy systems where engineers had to make trade-offs. Meet Team EcoBuild. They made a wind turbine for a small village using old bike parts and scrap metal. It wasn't the most powerful, but it helped charge phones and power lights. Constraint: limited budget and materials. Result: lower energy output, but super sustainable and affordable. Now, in the energy lab, let's light things up. We've got two bulbs. One old school incandescent, one new LED. Both get electrical energy, but check this out. Incandescent. Only approximately 10% becomes light. The rest? Heat. LED. Approximately 90% becomes useful light. Much cooler, literally. The LED costs more at first, but lasts way longer and wastes less energy. Trade-offs. Let's recap. Constraints are the limits you have to work with. Efficiency is how well energy is used. Design involves choosing the best balance. Great engineers don't just build cool stuff, they make smart choices within limits. You'll be doing the same in your upcoming challenge.